Hi everybody, I'm here to introduce you our two new versions, M80 Touch and M80 Touch Plus. They offer you our typical reliability and resistancy, consistency in the dose, accuracy in the coffee ground with our 63mm flat burst and the 420 watt power motor, very strong. Together with these two new proposals, the touch display, very simple and easy, and the touch plus version that let you able to upload the logo of the coffee or a small video. Both of them, they offer an hands-free fork that let you able to handle the filter holder very easily, and they are projected for being perfect, reliable and easy to use, as usual Quamar. Thank you very much and see you soon.